What's going on, everybody? This is Floogiel Trader Jeff, author of the book Trading Part-Time. Today is Wednesday, May the 30th, and welcome to the Floogiel Show. All right, everybody. How the tides have turned. The Dow screams back. I don't know if you saw the show yesterday, guys, but the Dow was down 400 and our account was up like $450. Well, today the market fights back. Fights back. There's some punch in the market, right? All right. So, again, strap your seatbelts on. Make sure you're fastened in because we are about to rock and roll, baby. All right, so let's go take a look really quick at the account and let's see how well we did today. All right, here we go. My God, all right. Whew. On the day, guys, we were up 7,300, well, now it's changing, $7,442.21. Let me write that down. We'll leave it at that. Don't change. $7,442.21. Yes, that's right. $7,422.21. You know, that's a lot less than it was earlier today. We were up 17,000. But we gave back quite a bit. That's okay. Because remember, the market was down 400 points yesterday. We were up. Today, we were up. So in 2 days, we've made $8,000, right? And the market was down 400 yesterday. Today, it bounced back. And look what happened. $7,445.41. See, this is why I love trading, guys. Because you can go to the gym, right, where you can get up, do your stuff, be with the kids, take them to school, go to the gym in the middle of the afternoon, place a couple of day trades during the day, because that's what I did on the Euro US dollar. Made about $2,000 in 10 minutes. Okay, not saying that that's what you're going to make. Past performance doesn't indicate future guarantees, or there's no guarantees in this game. You know that. But here's the thing. Then I go to the gym, 2:30, well, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, come back at 3, right? Go take my kid to swim lessons and make $7,442.21. $7,000, guys. Again, that is the beauty, okay? So without further ado, let's just dive into it. Now, it can't be as long today because I got something to do, but let's just dive into it and let's get a better picture of what happened today. Okay, so the leading index on the day was the Russell 2000. Okay, now that's a big white candle. Now, if you were here yesterday, we talked about price breaking through this resistance, and we even said go back to the show. Okay, now you have to scroll. Well, you know, scroll down the feed or just go to the blog because I got all the shows on the blog. But we said this yesterday, and it's recorded. We said we had a hammer candle pattern right at support. This was a bull flag. This was the first bull flag after the breakout. We said that 70% of all breakouts test the breakout area. And look at today. Entry signal. Not only an entry signal, but this is the Godzilla of white candles. Okay, so we got an entry signal and the momentum just continued. Okay, so the Russell 2000 up 24 points, 1.50%. And that's exactly what we said. We talked about this yesterday. So if you were paying attention, you would have traded this, the IWM. We said this was a bull flag trade, a bull flag setup. Today we got the entry, we got the follow through, game over, drop the mic, it's on. If you were listening, you might not be going to work the rest of this week. You might not be going to work the rest of this month. And you know what? For some of you, you might have said, I'm not going to work for the rest of this year. If you paid attention. Were you paying attention? I'm telling you this stuff and I'm giving you this information for free. Just imagine what we're doing in the stocks masterclass. You can't even imagine, my friends. The Dow Jones up 306. Now, yesterday it was down 400, so we're still down 100 in the last 2 days, but we made money both days, right? And today we cleaned up $7,442.21. 7 G's? Beautiful. Okay, so again, we dropped below this support level, but look, today we fought back. We closed back above that. Now it's resistance, right? This is support. Old support turns into new resistance. My video today, I posted it on Facebook, and I was talking about resistance, how the mid-row machine was pulling it. It was like resistance, and you know, resistance is any area that the price goes up to and bounces down. But it can break through resistance, and that's what it did today. Positive sign up 306, 1.26. So we'll see if we get a follow-through tomorrow. Nobody knows, but I like the way it looks. We'll check out a couple sectors here in a minute, too, just to see if this move was legit. Okay, so let's go to the SPX. That was the third. S&P 500 up 34 points, 1.27%. It kind of looks pretty similar to the Dow Jones, but if you noticed, it's up a little bit higher. So the picture in the Dow Jones, it broke the support. Now, I'm going to go back to it really quick. So get that picture in your head. Memorize that picture, right? This picture is it climbed back above the resistance. So it's above the resistance all the way. So if we go back to the Dow Jones, same looking picture, but it just barely closed above the resistance. Okay, so you see that? It barely closed above the resistance. The S&P 500 closed quite a bit above the resistance. That's a good sign, guys. That's the good sign. Very strong move today. Very, very strong move. I'm excited. It has been a beautiful couple days. Monday, the market was closed, so we're up $8,000 this week. And we are killing it, guys. And to some of my students, they're lighting it up, right? Join the masterclass, guys. And oh, by the way, I just opened up my Forex class. Some of you want to trade currencies, the most highly leveraged liquid market in the world, the biggest financial market in the world. It makes this market look like this. I just opened up my masterclass, giving a 7-day free trial of that as well. So go to the link in the feed because it's time to currency trade. We made $2,000 today, and it's like, I don't know, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, I don't know, $2,000, 10 minutes, trading the euro US dollar. We might look at that here in a minute. But anyway, because I'm on a time frame, so I want to make sure I get what we need to get for you guys. Okay, we were up 49 points in the NASDAQ, 0.72. So look, it's even stronger. So it actually never closed below the support level, right? But now we're right up here at the resistance area. So what we want to do is we want to see tomorrow if we get a follow through to break that resistance and we can target this area. Now again, you're not trading the NASDAQ, you're trading the Q, right? What am I doing here? What am I doing? Hang on, guys, over that. Got my picture up there. Okay, so what we'll do is, it's a breakout setup, right? Right there. So what we'll do is we're going to watch tomorrow, maybe set a conditional order to get into this trade if it breaks above the resistance. See, right now in the after hours, it's up 0.2%, 20 cents. That doesn't mean nothing, though. There's a lot of trading throughout the night, but that's just the way it goes. And again, I'm watching time because I got to do something. So first, all 4 indexes are up. Russell 2000 led the charge. The Dow Jones was second. The S&P 500 was up 1.33%, and then the Qs. But all indexes were up positive. So let's take a look at the VIX. The VIX today should have got punished. If the S&P was up that big, we expect the VIX to be down. And it was down. 12% it was down. Look at that, dude. So it broke through. We had a Godzilla candle yesterday, but now we got a bearish engulfing, okay? So tomorrow if we get a follow through, we could slip back into this channel. And if we do, that's awesome news for the SP, which means if you're in some bullish stock positions or bullish option positions, you got a chance to make some money, okay? So hopefully you're able to take advantage of these moves, you know. And again, I know some of you work, actually probably a lot of you work during the day, but what you don't understand, and I talk about it in my book. What's the name of my book? Trading part-time. It's not trading full-time, it's trading part-time. Because what I show you how to do is trade around your full-time job, okay? In 1 hour a day, you can be making this, well, I can't promise guarantees, but you'll have the strategies and knowledge to be doing the same thing in 1 hour a day. It doesn't even have to interfere with your work. And if some of you have read my book, which I know some of you have, I stress very clearly, don't quit your job. But if your trading money starts to exceed that, well then you know what? You can have that conversation. But anyway, the VIX up. Let's take a look at the Euro United States dollar. Okay, now remember the Euro has been weak, the dollar has been very strong, which means this chart has been going down. But today, I think it was different. And what do you know? This is how we made over $2,000 in like 15 minutes. It was 10 or 15 minutes because look at this white candle. The euro was up 128 pips. That's a huge move, guys. In the currency market, I mean, we put at risk today like $200. So not even much money. And we ended up clearing over $2,000 in 10. I don't know if it's 15 minutes or 10, but let's just say 15. So we invested 200 and we made over $2,000 in 15 minutes. That's how highly leveraged this market is. I just opened my masterclass to teach you guys how to do this. You got, again, if you have smaller accounts, and this trades 24 hours a day, so you don't even have to sleep. You can trade all night long. But today was a massive wide day, and we cleaned up. So the dollar was very weak today. So if the dollar was weak, gold should have been stronger. And look at that. Man, do we know the correlations. And when you know the correlations, that's how you can make $7,442.21. And that's how you can make $400 on a $400 or 400 point down move. That's how we know the correlations. Gold up, right? Let's take a look at oil really quick. I haven't looked at oil in a while. Oh, dollar weak, oil strong. That's the relationship, guys. And look at this big white candle, 0.32, 2.37%. So this was oh my God. This candle pattern is a 3 candle pattern, and it is called a morning star candle pattern. This morning star candle pattern is a bullish reversal candle pattern. It's a 3 beautiful candle pattern. I mean, this is a textbook. If you look at my book, that's the picture. That's the picture, right? So we could get some follow through to the upside tomorrow, which means the energy sector, oh my God, we'll switch to sectors. The energy sector was the leading sector on the day, up 3%, 2.25. I mean, you're talking about the biggest, baddest white candle around. Huge. Oil was up, so look at the energy. Energy broke through the 30-day moving average. So for some of us out there, well, it's not our intermediate term entry, but I have another strategy that this is an entry for today. So you can get into that position today, or you can go search for strong stocks in that sector. Let me write that down. I'm watching time, guys. But anyway, strongest, Godzilla, love it. Boom, financials. Financials fought back today, up 1.82%. 0.49. We got a bullish harami. That's a good sign. We could get follow through tomorrow. So if you're paying attention, put in your conditional orders, make some money, take off next week. I give you permission to take off next week. Okay? If they say something, just start throwing your dollar bills around. Okay? You can listen or not, but I mean, you watch the show every day, so we don't hide nothing here. And you know, because you see what I talk about every day. And all these lines are from previous shows. So, you can join the bandwagon or not. It's totally up to you. Like I said, we're trading no matter what. We're making money. We're changing people's lives. So you can get with the bandwagon or not. It's up to you, right? I mean, if you have that dream of taking control of your life, learning a skill that can set you up financially and everybody in your generation financially, this is that skill, right? This is that skill, okay? What would that be like to not have to work for anybody anymore, or be able to spend the day on the beach in Hawaii and come back and see you made $7,000? What would that be like, guys? Was that was that good? I mean, I think it's good. I mean, whenever you can, because some of you, I know you love to work, but that's fine. My point is, this skill can change your life. And close your eyes. What would it be like to never have to worry financially again? Ever. And to be able to learn a skill that you can teach your family, and your kids so they never have to worry. And it starts with the book. It starts with joining our Stocks Masterclass. It starts with joining our Forex class that I just literally opened up. Okay? Change your life, guys, because again, we're cleaning up over here. And we're doing this stuff every day. We're showing you, we're giving you tips, man. Healthcare, up 1.23, 1.50%. Now we're approaching resistance, so be mindful of that area. If we get up there and we start to see bearish candle patterns, protect your gains, okay? Protect your gains. But anyway, it was up. Actually, every sector was up today. Now, we're in industrials, up 1.41%, 1.05. Now, this is that bull flag channel. Today, it kissed this area, and we closed really strong at the resistance. So tomorrow, if we get a follow through, and if it punches through, hit the mic, guys. Hopefully it still works. Sorry about that. Hopefully it does. So if I got excited. Where's my book over there? So if the market punches through and then punches through that area, we could be off to the races up to here. That's a lot of profit that can be made in that move. Okay, my voice is kind of hoarse because I've been talking all day, teaching people how to trade the market, getting excited, screaming, yelling. I was up 17,000 today. Man, I disappeared for a while, came back, and I dropped like 10 G's. I still finish up 7,000, but you know what? You watching this show, you know where I was at. And you know I was up like 17 grand. But again, it was worth it because we got some big stuff coming. So I'm going to forgive you right now. I'm going to forgive you that I dropped 10 grand today. And you know who I'm talking to. Real estate. Real estate was up 1.31%, 0.41. Man, these big old white candles, that's nice, right? So we got a strong candle that shot through the resistance area. That's good. So the next setup, guys, is right here. Breakout. So now, oh my gosh, look how crazy that is. Look, I drew this, watching this little candle. I wasn't even looking over here. And look what happened. Price literally went up to this line. And seller stepped in. I mean, it literally went to that line. Exactly. The resistance and support areas are critical. Just like I talked about today in my video. If you didn't watch my video, I'm going to post it tomorrow on the blog. But you can scroll down the Facebook feed. Because I talked about the key areas. And that's it. Look at this. Literally up to that area. We do not make this stuff up, folks. We know more about the market than probably 99% of the people out there. Okay? Now, you can choose it or not. Now, we got an ascending triangle pattern forming. I like this pattern, okay? So, the entry to an ascending triangle pattern is a breakout above that high. So, we're going to be watching this really closely over the next couple of days to see if we can get some follow through. Yeah, I'm watching the time, guys. Just can't go long, but it was such a good day. We did so well. We made a lot of money. Another update. Wait, we fall back. Remember yesterday I said we had this big red candle, and then it was a big white candle. So I said, hey, we have a big red candle, so tomorrow we could get a big white candle. And that's what we did. Go back and watch it. That's what I said. That's exactly what I said. So an update, discretionary, 0.96, 0.91%, money in the bank. Utilities, white, big old white candle. Now, it's coming up to the diagonal resistance, but this was a strong move today, okay? So your 401ks today that got punished yesterday, they fought back today. Utilities, though, up strong. So again, you can look at the strong stocks in the strong sectors. Go at it. Today was the energy sector. That was the strongest. So I'm gonna get to that energy sector. See if we can find some setups to light it up and make some more money. That's what we do. Now, we're still in this channel. Technology. The lowest performing sector on the day, but again, it was not low. It was 0.51, 0.74%. But we're still in this little sideways channel. So right now, the bulls and the bears are battling it out. But again, we broke through our bull flag channel. Right now, we're here. So is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? I don't know. But if we got in that trade, we're already in it. Now we're just waiting to see what happens. We're just following our rules. We're not emotional. We're just, again, we dropped 10 grand today. We could cry about it, but hey, we still finished up 7. Beautiful. Okay, so every sector was up. The VIX was down. The dollar was weaker today. I mean, all these are very, very positive signs. So we could get a continuation tomorrow. I don't know the future, but if we do, maybe we'll have another 7,000 day. I don't know, but I hope so. I'll take it. Okay, so let's just understand. Beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go look at the stocks in the energy sector. Okay, we ain't got too much time left. I'm watching it. But again, the Dow fought back today. Over 300 points. Our account over $7,400. Yesterday, up $475 on a 400-point down day. We are doing good, guys. And for those of you following this class, you're probably doing really good. So congratulations, because you've been making some money. And that is awesome, because I want you guys to make a lot of money. Okay, now, this is a potential intermediate term entry for one of my strategies. But if you don't know that strategy, don't trade it. But again, very positive sign. It's not our bull flag. No, it's not a bull flag. Look, it's equal low. No. But again, positive sign. This is ConocoPhillips, okay? So what we're doing is we're looking for bull flag setups. That kind of looks pretty similar to ConocoPhillips, but I do like this morning star candle pattern. So if we get a follow through tomorrow, it could go all the way up to here. There's some good money that can be made in Chevron in that move. Okay, so follow your rules, and if that's one of your setups, place the setup. EOG, okay, very similar. But see, I like this one. Okay, God, again, look at this. It went right up to the resistance and came back down. You think these areas don't matter? You're crazy. They matter. But what we got here is we got a bull flag set up. Now, I don't like the fact that it slipped below the support level. I don't like that. But again, if we get a punch through tomorrow, this could be a good type of vertical spread trade, you know. But it's a valid bull flag setup. It's a higher high, higher low, valid setup, guys. But again, you know, follow your rules, right? Halliburton, potential bear flag for me. We don't like that. You know, when we're so bullish, oh, we have our diagonal resistance. We drew this. I don't know if we drew this yesterday or last week or whenever, but look what happened. Price went up through the resistance, sellers stepped back in. See, they're fighting at this area. This is the key area. Just like I said today in the video, resistance is a key area. And if you want to learn more about resistance, either join our masterclass or buy my book. I'm giving it away for free. You just cover shipping. Okay? Again, $7,442.21 today? Man, come on, guys. Okay. Now, again, this is a bull flag setup, but again, see, I went down here. This is not a pretty bull flag, but it is a bull flag. And see, doesn't mean you can't trade this bull flag setup. But see, what I might do is I might do a spread trade or something that, you know, takes advantage of time decay. I know you probably have no idea what I'm talking about, but just know that there is a strategy that can take advantage of what's called time decay, which means you don't care if it goes sideways or, you know, down a little. You just want the stock to basically stay kind of flat. If it goes up, even better. But this is a valid bull flag setup, okay? Now, see, again, we drew our line the other day. This is a bull flag setup, but I told you the other day I didn't like this movement. And again, just because now, you know, price, it did break up through the resistance today. But again, you have the choice to trade what you want to trade. It's your money, okay? I didn't like that setup. I could have placed that setup and I would have made money. But I didn't like that setup, so I didn't place it because, again, I follow a very specific set of rules. Just like that guy was at Taken, he says, I have a very specific set of skills. Well, I follow a very specific set of rules. And I'm going to break those rules because I broke those rules before, and it wasn't pretty. We ain't got much time, guys. So let's go down here to Schlumberger. Up on the day, below the 30-day moving average. Boom, hey, broke through the bull flag today. This was the bull flag channel. We had a breakthrough that today. That's a valid entry for some of you guys. ExxonMobil is the last one we're going to look at, and then we'll just kind of recap, and then I got to run. Oh my God, ExxonMobil, King Kong, Godzilla, not King Kong, we like Godzilla. Man, look at that. This is a bull flag. Again, it fell under the 30-day, but this line's here for a reason. We took this trade in one of our classes, and today we got rewarded. Okay, so beautiful. Actually, all the indexes were up. All the sectors were up. Energy sector led the way. Everything fell beautifully into place. The market, the Dow was up 300. We were up 7,442. Doesn't get much better than this, right? Because yesterday we were up when it was down. So Join the masterclass. Get in here, guys. Start making some money. Join the Forex class. If you have a smaller account, you can trade the Forex market, okay? Because again, I turned $200 today into $2,000 in like 15 minutes. You can do it. I'm not saying we'll do that all the time because I don't know the future. But the key is you got to act. You can continue to do what you're doing every day. You can continue to go to work, come home, maybe be happy, maybe not. You can continue to do your daily routine every little day. Or you can take action and you can change something. It starts right now. Take action. Start to learn this. It's not impossible. It took me a while, but I learned it. It's not impossible. I'm going to give you accelerated learning. I'm going to take all the best of everything I learned and I'm going to condense it. It's not impossible. We're doing it. We're making $7,000. We're making $400 here. So take that leap of faith. Take that chance. Join one of the classes. See for yourself. All right, everybody. We got to run. So, super excited. Got some big things coming for y'all. Y'all don't even know it. It's in the crypto mining space. It's in the crypto education. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, all these wonderful blockchain, all this cool stuff that you kind of hear about that don't know. We're about to explode it, but I'm going to keep that quiet for now because we're here rolling, helping you guys make money. All right, everybody, this is Floogiel Trader Jeff, author of the book, Trading Part-Time. Today was Wednesday, May the 30th. What a day. Peace.